Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
When I get too hot. Alright, y'all boys, man, we'll go back to the channel. As y'all can see, this is the Catless Midpipe. We gotta take off the cats from underneath the car, put this shit under there. And my car gonna be screaming, and it's gonna be a little bit faster. We got both of them right here. We got all the tools, the O2 extender, all that shit. This finna be a breeze to install. It's literally 3 bolts and a clip on each side. Like, you feel me? That shouldn't take no more than, what, 10 minutes. And we got a crew of experienced gentlemen back here. Everybody finna put in that work.
Bro, what if these are wrong mid-pipes, bro?
Dang, bro, I don't give a fuck. Hurry fuck up.
This cannot be the only tools you niggas have.
It's not.
25 cents, bro. Where your tools at, nigga?
There's nothing wrong with
That's for display. That's for display. That's just to look good.
Alright, we finna go ahead and get started with this install. Shit finna be smooth.
Nigga need a fucking haircut.
Yo, shut up and hold the camera, nigga.
Look at this nigga fit, bro.
Bro, yeah, this work fit. This getting money fit, nigga.
Bro, are these the other tools in question?
Only it's 6 bolts, right?
Wait, so why did my headers take like 8 years to do? Or not my headers, my mid-pipes.
Bro, remember that shit was rusted as hell.
Bro, we was using little ass ratchets, bro.
Nah, we had the nasty tool set because of this nigga.
If it don't fit, put an extension on it, nigga.
Bro, stop trying to coach this nigga and just go do it.
I'm not a go do it ass nigga.
Oh.
Mike, that's $500.
There we go. Oh yeah. See, Price, just chill, nigga. This shit gonna be easy as cake.
Nah, it's just nasty ass, long ass.
Wait, so is this really a quick process?
Yes, bro. I'm trying to tell you, nigga.
This should only take like an hour?
Bruh, hour, nigga, max.
We took 12 hours on our shit, damn near.
Bro,
we didn't have the right tools,
that
bro.
too,
That's
yeah.
the reason.
Don't niggas soft. Hey, this nigga feet kicked up. He's gay.
Yeah.
Yo, how many more you got to take off?
Just this, and then the whole cat. Oh,
Oh shit. Yo, Price, you hating, we almost done.
Sam Price, all that dick ride, nigga.
Why you use that in the first place, Mike?
Boom, baby. Why this shit ain't coming off? Real deal mechanic work, bruh. Oh yeah. Cat number 1 successfully off. My neck hurt, but we got it. We got it off. Stop laughing, bitch.
I've been bullying this nigga since 8th grade,
Why you wearing like Michael Jackson, nigga? All that crying you doing, nigga. Look how easy this shit is, gang.
Oh shit. My niggas don't got no SS.
You just
I
saved
hope that
my
shit
life.
fall on your face, bruh. On some DJ shit. Nah, I almost dropped the car on DJ head though.
What?
Nigga, you want wires.
Price, get a grip.
Nigga, grip your fucking pipe off your car. And
Don't hate, nigga. The pipe ain't fucking stuck.
What's the hold up, Mike? Pipe's too hot. This nigga don't even have a real flathead.
Yes, I do.
This nigga has a screwdriver with no tip on it. Oh, he doesn't a flathead.
Oh, yo, what is going on?
Yo, why you standing above me, yo?
Bro, chill.
Oh, almost cut my finger off. Nah, our Rico case gonna be generational, bruh.
Bro, can we like not talk about this shit?
So what's after this Hellcat? What's next? What's next up?
We go BMW, bruh.
What?
Gang, I will slap the shit out of you. Hey, bro, when I
Good
get
shit,
this C706, don't say shit to nobody.
Nah, that's what I was gonna get. I ain't gonna lie, that was one of my options. Or Trackhawk, but this one just kinda.
Just fell in your lap, huh?
Such a nigga. Bro, this shit gonna take like 5 more hours.
Like a black slender man. Right. It's right here, bro. What, dude? $18?
You can return it, twin.
Dude, I can chug this and live.
Bro, push it down. All right, we got the tool that we needed. All we gotta do is just put this on the O2 sensor to take it off, and then put the O2 sensor on the mid pipes. Oh yeah. Bruh. Right.
Let's all get matching pair of Bottegas.
That was gay.
I hope you would, man.
What?
2 hours later.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna fit. Was your scat pack considered an RT scat pack?
That fucking sticker on the side of his car when he bought it said RT Scat Pack.
Damn, you remember what bro said? You need that one tool so you can sit there and open the pipe up. Nigga, that orange box, the orange box in the video.
Fuck that orange box, bro. We gonna make it work.
Mike, I ain't gonna lie, this shit ain't finna fit.
Yo, Mike, your shit's already low-key kind of loud, just not on startup. So, like, you low-key chilling.
For us, Price.
Mike,
The shit in the video, listen, the shit in the video, it literally widens. You put it on the grill and it widens the pipe up.
pause.
Bro, Price, price, bro. Look up a pipe widener.
Gang, I'm not, bro. That don't even sound right.
Alright, so this part of the vid started to get a little confusing, so let me explain real quick. Basically, the spacer or the extender is the part that's supposed to connect the rest of the mid pipe to the exhaust. And since I bought the mid pipes off Facebook, it didn't come with the correct one that the brand new kit has. So I bought one from a website that claimed to be the exact same size, but as y'all can see, that shit was too fucking big. My next move was gonna be to have a mobile welder pull up and basically weld my mid pipe to the rest of the exhaust. But of course, I didn't want to do that. I would have never been able to take my mid pipe off, and my warranty would have been cooked. So that same night, I decided to make a quick AutoZone run and buy a smaller adapter, but that shit didn't end up working either. Ended up going back in the crib, mad as hell. I went and showered and went to sleep. Woke up and my damn eyeball was swollen. Still don't know how that shit even happened. But as I'm like 6 hours into my 12-hour shift, I came up with the most brilliant and obvious idea. What if I just sold the mid pipes that I bought on Facebook and buy a brand new kit? I'm a genius, I know. So I went ahead and resold the mid pipes that I bought, and I bought a brand new kit that came that same week. Now all there is to do is take the cats back off and see if the correct size adapters fit on the car. My entire life has led up to this one moment. Failure was not an option. Defeat was not an option. Through sheer determination and will, I will get these mid pipes on, even if it costs my life. Now here we are at the moment of truth. I'm gonna leave this part that's past stolen SRT. All I gotta say is 2 words: lock in. Alright, just gotta unclip the O2 and then pull this cat off and see if the adapter fit. Bro, my head like Roger from American Dad. Boom. Moment of truth. Please allow us to smooth it. Please allow us to go in smooth it. Moment of truth. All we gotta do is put this into the exhaust pipe. Come on, come on. Yes, bro, it's in here. It's in there. I just gotta push it farther back. We gotta bring out the hammer. After 2 hours, not even 2 hours, after about 5 minutes of straight hammering.
How do you go from 2 hours to 5 minutes?
After 5 minutes of straight hammering, we got these things in there, boy. It's a tight fit, man. It's a tight fit. But you just gotta keep hammering until they go in. I'm gonna go ahead and hook these mid pipes up, man. We gonna hear this thing roaring, boy. Long awaited. What you think it's gonna sound like, Price?
Like this.
Make sure that thing tight, but we don't need no leaks. It's gonna be elite regardless, cause you know, we're Johnny, but you feel me?
There's no weed. This is just the Johnny Hellcat.
There we go. Now that's tight, Price. That's tight.
Is this fucking Tyler?
Gang, who the fuck is that? We got one more clamp to screw in, then y'all get the meanest Hellcat straight pipe of all time.
Bro, where's the other shit, bro? Nigga, let go, nigga, I got it. You over there pulling this shit.
Bruh, it's your weak ass.
Nigga, it ain't no weak ass, it ain't my weak ass.
One more bolt. One more bolt. One more bolt.
There it is,
here, bro, you can get this one more tight, bro.
There we go.
As y'all can see, we got 2 Catless mid pipes installed on the Widebody Hellcat. We finna start this thing up. This thing finna be shooting flag. This thing finna be shooting gunshot.
Look at this nigga struggling to take his car down off the jack, bro.
Slow and steady in the race.
Nah, you gotta drop the car on niggas' heads like DJ.
T-minus 10 seconds before we get the craziest cold starting on the man.
How long has it been since you started this shit?
Yesterday. I ain't gonna lie, like 5 seconds, then we gotta open the garage back before we die.
Please work. Shit loud as fuck. Are you back? Are you happy that you back loud again, bro?
Yes, bro. OD happy, bro. All right, as y'all boys can see, we finally got the mid pipes on. It was a struggle getting them on, but it was also not my fault at the same time. But shit, man, I'm finna go ahead and hop on the road. It ain't no point in wasting no time. Like, he should have went Chevy, for real.
Well, I told his ass, I'm like, bro, this shit way better than VLC.
No, God, that shit sound good as fuck. Got a wide sound, bro. When you was patting that bitch?
That bitch sound good as fuck, man.
I'm loving the way this straight pipe sound. Like, I don't regret doing nothing that I've done to this car yet, besides. But it's all good though. I was gonna drop that Starlight video, but there's no point because it's not done. Like, you feel me? I gotta redo it basically, so I may drop a vid on it when I redo it. But regardless though, we ball, man. We ball. Now I hate sticking my camera out the window, man. It feel like this thing gonna fly off. Oh, we go track halt. That's a smooth track halt, I ain't gonna lie. This SD card only got like 10 minutes of footage left, so I don't know how much I'm gonna really get in this vid, but you know, we gonna see. I need my shit detailed bad, I ain't gonna lie. Who knows this? Bro, I need this detail bad as fuck. Like, what are we doing? Where do I be driving to get dirt splatters on my whole car? Mark my words, this will be the 2-car lineup one day. I will have a cat and a truck car. Or if not a truck car, I'm getting an M3. I will have a 2 geeked up car lineup, I promise you. Truck car got Demon 170 badge, that thing clean. That fit me perfect too, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe I'm glazing too much. I ordered the RGB SRT badge as well. Probably gonna put it at the bottom though, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if I'm gonna put that right here. I low-key mess with how we look at the bottom on wide bodies. And I threw on the red eye spoiler with the rear window lip, whatever it's called.
Round with hella steel like a marching band. I can do fuck I want, you gon' do what you can. Pull off the impossible, dunk on nigga in new van. A lot of these hoes don't know how to suck dick, but baby, I know you can. Get the fuck out of A, finna move out of state, I'm tryna go get some new land. She all on my dick, told her hoe I need some space, she really been tryna move in. Hop out the car with some money and chain, they be looking like nigga who that? But bitch, we fake, give a fuck if it broad day, we ask nigga where to loot at. Made a dish, he thinking we coming to get him, little nigga like why you do that? Think niggas only spin on instrumental, when we see him, he never shoot back.
You recording?
Yeah. Alright, y'all boys, as y'all can see, finally got this baby detail. It was much needed. No more random dirt trails on my car from sliding or whatever I be doing. The wheels is shining. My wheels ain't never looked gloss since I bought the car. Chris, bro, how my car sound? I don't know.
Start it up.
How the cat sound, bro? No, bro, this your price moment, bro. I'm not ready. How the cat sound, bro? How the cat sound, bro?
Bro, you know how it sound, bro. Remove, bro.
Make sure y'all tap in with bro, Almighty Mobile Services. I'm gonna put his ad on the screen. He do good work though. As you can see, my cat ain't never been this clean before. What's up, little man? You want smoke? Yeah, that's what I thought. But alright, y'all boys, man. I appreciate y'all for checking this video out for sure. Make sure y'all boys tap in. Oh, almost tripped. Make sure y'all boys tap in. Make sure y'all boys sub, follow my Instagram, do whatever you gotta do. We going up with this car stuff, man. You feel me? This only the beginning. But I'll catch y'all boys, man.
Damn, Draco, you made this?